Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook groups. Both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor, lecturer as well as the teacher vacancies notification from the 10 different colleges. And all these are the state university affiliated colleges, guys. And here the UGC net or the PhD is not required for these notifications. And let us see the details regarding these advertisements. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is Aurora Group of Engineering Colleges. So in this group itself, you are having the 8 different colleges. So the first one is Aurora Engineering College, and next one is Technical and Research Institute, and next one is Scientific Tech and Residential Academy, and next one is Technological Institute from Habsigoda, and next one is Scientific and Technological Institute from Gadkeshkar, and Technological and Management Academy from Maulali, and the Technical Institute from Chikatpalli, and Ramappa Engineering College from Hanmakonda. So these are the different 8 different colleges, guys, from the same group. And here the faculty requirement is there in the engineering, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, Civil and Mechanical. Coming to the H&As, English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics and Management is also given. So post and eligibility for the assistant professor in engineering, BTech plus MTech with first class. In H&S, MA or MSc with first class in the concerned subject, and the management MCom or MBA with first class. And coming to the associate and professor category, here the PhD requirement is mandatory, guys, so check the details regarding that one. And coming to the lab assistant posts are also there for the CSE, ECE, EEE, Civil, Mechanical, Physics and Chemistry. Eligibility is a first class diploma or second class BTech in concerned subject, and for physics or chemistry minimum BSc first class must be there. And the salary depends upon the qualification, experience and the performance. All the interested candidates may mail their resume to jobs@aurora.edu.in on or before 6th March 2021. Okay, so it is the details regarding this college, guys, friend. It is from Telangana state. Okay, so check the details. And while coming to the next one is Sri M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology. So it's a reputed engineering college and it requires assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science or the Information Science and qualification as per the AICTE norms. So eligible candidates only need to apply. Okay, and here the address is given here in the Bangalore. So by 3rd March 2021 and the contact number as well as the email ID is also provided here. So all the interested candidates check these details, guys. Okay, and next one is Karnataka Reddy Jana Sangha requires Vemana Institute of Technology, professors and associate professors. Next, psychologist or counselor, foreman ECE, programmer CSE, lab instructor CS, EC Civil and helpers and attenders. And coming to the management studies, lecturers for the mathematics and statistics one, and lecturers for English and communication one, and SC and ST preferred for both the above post. Next, DBM and RJS school, Kormangla. So here the teacher jobs are also there, so check down. And the interested candidates may send their resume to this provide mail ID here. Okay, so resumes may be sent to this mail ID also within, and here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given. Okay, so the candidates who belongs to the Institute on Technology, they have to send this mail ID. Next 2, 3, 4 and 5 these category candidates have to send to this mail ID within 10 days. And for more details, you may visit the official website of this one. So the two official website are there. Okay, so here the contact number is also given here. So all the interested candidates may just once check down the details regarding this one. So totally these are the different number of colleges, guys. Okay, so utilize this opportunity. There will be a huge vacancies and it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the post graduation only without UGC NET or the PhD. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and It is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So here Unacademy Accelerate is there, and in this one on Feb 28, that is Sunday 4 to 5 o'clock, evening 4 to 5 o'clock, the exam is going to be conducted. So for paper 1, 50 questions will be there, and the candidates who scored rank 1 to 2, 100% scholarship will be available. 3 to 10, 75%, 11 to 35, 50%, and 36 to 150, 25%. So all the interested candidates may enroll now, and the link I will keep in the description box of this video. You may go through the terms and conditions also. Thank you, guys.